So hello everyone, আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম সেল ইউনিটটো তোমালকৰ সেল ইউনিটত কোন কেটা চেপ্টাৰ আছে তোমালকৰ সেলৰ চেপ্টাৰ কেটা হল সেল সাইকেল দেন বায়োমলিকুলস আৰু তাৰ পিছতে হল তোমালকৰ সেল সাইকেল এন্ড সেল ডিভিজন সো একেটা চেপ্টাৰ আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম সো প্ৰতিটো চেপ্টাৰে around 30 to 35 কোৱেশ্চন আছে সো সকলোবোৰ কোৱেশ্চনস আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম সো খেখলৈ চাই থকা গম পাবা কি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় ওকে যদি কোৱেশ্চনখিনি কৰিব পাৰিছা ওয়েল এন্ড গুড যদি পাৰনে চাই যোৱা কেনেকৈ কৰিছো ঠিক আছে সো এটা মোস্ট ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট ৰিপিটেড কোৱেশ্চনস হয় ইজি হয় চাই যাবা সো who discovered cell Robert Brown, Anton von Leeuwenhoek, Robert Hooke and Rudolf Virchow কোনে সেল আৱিষ্কাৰ কৰিছিল ৰবাৰ্ট হুক মনত ৰাখিবা ওকে ৰবাৰ্ট হুক then next question the concept of omnicellular e-cellular hetu kone disile omnicellular e-cellular mane ki cell arise from pre-existing cells was proposed by Scladen, Swan, Rudolf Virchow, Robert Brown kone disil Rudolf Virchow thik ase next question which of the following is the correct statement of cell theory tolor kontu cell theory correct statement mane sotyo bakyo all cells have a nucleus all cells arise from pre-existing cells are form de novo from abiotic materials from abiotic materials only animals are made up of cells tolor kuntu hobo 3 number to all cells are arise from pre-existing cells then question number 4 so question number 4 hole which of the following organism has the smallest cell 0.3 micrometer smallest cell to car cell bacteria virus mycoplasma and red blood cell car hoy sign number 2 mycoplasma 0.3 and 0.3 micrometer 0.3 micrometer car hoy mycoplasma mone rakhiba the longest cell amar ki hoy muscle cell RBC nerve cell and bone cell ki hobo question number 5 or answer to nerve cell mone rakhiba then the shape of the human RBC ki hoy spherical biconcave elongated branch so number 2 ki hobo biconcave 7 question number 7 which of the following is absent in a prokaryotic cell tor kuntu prokaryotic cell or absent cell membrane ribosome membrane bound nuclei and genetic material tolor kuntu prokaryotic cell or nathake kuntu nathake membrane bound organelles mone rakhiba Mitochondria in prokaryotes are invaginations of the cell wall plasma membrane nucleoid and ribosome question number 8 ki hobo B plasma membrane then question number 9 one of the functions of mesosome prokaryotes or prokaryotic cell or mesosome or function ki hai protein synthesis photosynthesis DNA replication cell wall formation and lipid storage ki hai kuntu hobo DNA replication and cell wall formation then question number 10 which structure in bacteria helps in motility tolor kuntu motility sahay kore pili fimbriae flagellum আৰু মিসোজোমস question number 10 কি হ'ব flagellum ইহতে motility সহায় কৰে ঠিক আছে flagellum okay মানে finger like projections বুলি জন্তু কও then question number 11 which of the following is not true about eukaryotic cell ক্ষেত্ৰত তল কোনটো শুদ্ধ নহয় they have a well defined nucleus they have a TS ribosome in a cytoplasm their cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan they contain membrane bound organelles question number 11 কি হ'ব C their cell are made up of peptidoglycan next question the fluid mosaic model kone disil fluid mosaic model who gave the fluid mosaic model janane ki asil Singer and Nicholson mone rakhiba fluid mosaic model kone disil Singer and Nicholson next which of the following is not a component of plasma membrane tolor kuntu plasma membrane no component nohoy phospholipid proteins cholesterol and cellulose kuntu option D cell wall of plant cell is primarily composed of plant cell wall to primarily ki compose kore cellulose cell wall means cellulose question number 15 the middle lamella of a plant cell is made up of middle lamella to amar kihor dara bone cellulose calcium pectate lignin suberin ki hoy middle lamella calcium pectate aru magnesium pectate ihon duita pora which organelle is known as the suicidal bed এটো জানিব লাগে নিউক্লিয়াছ মাইটকন্ড্ৰিয়া লাইসোজোম এন্ড রাইবোজোম কি হয় লাইসোজোম ইজ কল্ড দ্য সুইসাইডাল বেগ মনে ৰাখিবা লাইসোজোম question number 17 which organelle is known as the powerhouse এটো কবই নালাগে সাগে mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell mitochondria and chloroplast are double membrane bound organelles which of the following is true about them they contain 70s ribosome they lack dna they are found in all eukaryotic cells they synthesize lipids কোনটো হ'ব mitochondria আৰু chloroplast ইহত দুটা double membrane bound organelles হয় double membrane bound organelles আৰু which of the following is true হয় ইহত কি হয় prokaryotes 70s ribosome the inner membrane of mitochondria forms infoldings to কি বুলি কও আমি infoldings to কি বুলি কও thylakoids cristae cristerni stroma কি কো cristae the flattened membrane sacs in the Golgi apparatus কি বুলি কও Golgi apparatus of flattened membrane to cristae thylakoids cristae cristerni and grana কি হয় কোনটো হ'ব cristerni okay then the site of ribosome synthesis inside the nucleus site of ribosome synthesis in the inside of nucleus কি হ'ব question number 21b nuclear pores are involved in nuclear pores called involved by DNA replication transport of RNA and proteins between nucleus and cytoplasm synthesis of ATP digestion of waste কি হ'ব question number 22b transport of RNA okay then which cell organ is responsible for the synthesis of steroidal hormones karone tolor kuntu responsible hoy rough endoplasmic reticulum smooth endoplasmic reticulum Golgi apparatus and lysosome question number 23 ki hobo smooth endoplasmic reticulum okay then question number 24 the organelle that packages and dispatch ki kune kore packages and dispatch package or dispatch kune kore Golgi apparatus ribosomes are composed of DNA protein RNA protein DNA lipid RNA lipid ki hobo question number 25 RNA and protein mone rakhiba question number 26 the fluid content inside the vacuole of a plant cell is called ki boli ko 26 cell shape question number 27 which of the following is present in a plant cell but absent in a animal cell kuntu plant cell dot present ase but animal cell dot absent ase kuntu mitochondria ribosome cell wall and nucleus cell wall hol kot na thake cell wall yat na thake cell wall absent okay but plant cell or cell wall present mone rakhiba okay next question number 28 chloroplasts are a site of cellular respiration protein synthesis photosynthesis and lipid synthesis question number 28 ki hobo c photosynthesis the sex of thylakoid inside the chloroplast tak ki boli ko the stage of thylakoid question number 29 grana okay the tonoplast is a membrane surrounded the nucleus mitochondria vacuole in plant cell chloroplast question number 30 ki hobo vacuole in plant cells okay question number 31 which of the following statements is correct about the plasma membrane it is a impermeable to all substances it is selectively permeable carbohydrates are never found in it it is the same as the cell wall question number 31 ki hobo it is a selectively permeable the cytoskeleton is a cell is involved in cytoskeleton to code involve hoy intracellular transport and cell motility protein synthesis lipid storage and digestion kuntu hobo question number 32a intracellular transport question number 33 centrioles are part of centrosome and composed of microfilaments microtubule triplets intermediate filaments and protein granules ki hobo question number 33 question number 33 ki hobo microtubule triplets Question number 34. Which of the following is not a function of lysosome? Tolokundu lysosome or function nahoy. Digestion of foreign particle, breakdown of all cell organelles, synthesis of proteins, autolysis, self-digestion of the cell. Junto ami phagocytosis boli ko. Question number 34 ki hobo? Synthesis of proteins. Okay, synthesis of proteins. Cell organelles are suspended in the cell dash of the cell. Organelles are suspended in the dash of the cell. Question number 35 ki hobo? Cytoplasm. Okay. Then etu hol cell cycle or then ami sam itia biomolecules or karne. Okay. Biomolecules are important questions kera sao. The question number 36 ki ase? The most abundant chemical compound in the living organism ki hoy? 36. Silo kuntu hobo? Protein, carbohydrate, water. Which one of the following is an example of monosaccharide? Sucrose, lactose, glucose, and starch. Question number 37 ki hobo? C. Sucrose is a monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide, and oligosaccharide. Question number 38 ki hobo? Disaccharide. Starch and glycogen are polymers of. Question number 39 ki? Starch and glycogen are the polymers of glucose. Cellulose is a polymer of glucose, fructose, sucrose, and starch. Kunto glucose. Which enzyme digests starch? Tolor kunto digest kore enzyme. Pepsin, trypsin, amylase, lipase. Question number 41 ki hobo? Amylase. The end product of protein digestion: glucose, fatty acid, amino acid, nucleotides. Kunto hobo? Question number 42. Question number 42 C. Amino acids are the building blocks of kar hoy? Protein, lipid, carbohydrates, and nucleic acid. Question number 43 kar hoy? Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Okay, monarchiba. Which of the following is the essential amino acids? Tolor kuntu essential amino acids. So question number 44. Glycine, alanine, lysine, and glutamic acid. Kuntu hobo? Question number 44 C. The primary structure of a protein refers to alpha helix, beta pleated sheath. The sequence of amino acids is the three-dimensional structure of the protein. Question number 45 ki hobo? C. The enzyme that breaks down lipids. June enzyme lipid break kore tak ki boli koy? Amylase, lipase, pepsin, trypsin. Question number 46 ki hobo? Lipase. The bond that joins two amino acids. Duta amino acid. Etu eta amino acid, etu eta amino acid, aru eta amino acid ase. Ei duta amino acid june join kore ki boli koy? Glycosidic bond, peptide bond, phosphodiester bond, and ester bond. Question number 47 ki boli koy? Peptide bond. Etur naam ki? Peptide bond. Monarchiba. Okay. Question number 48. Which of the following is a function of lipids in the body? Quick energy source, long-term energy storage, and insultation, genetic information storage, and enzymatic catalyst. Question number 48 B. The double helix structure of DNA was proposed by. Question number 49 Watson and Crick. Question number 50. The specific pairing of nitrogenous base. ATGC. ATGC. Question number kuntu hobo? 50. Question number 50 kuntu hobo? B. ATG aru C. A T logot double bond koribo aru G A C logot triple bond koribo. Triple hydrogen bond. These are hydrogen bond. These are hydrogen bond. Okay, mone rakhiba. Question number 51. Which of the following is a pyrimidine base? Question number 51. Tolor kuntu pyrimidine base hoy? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, A and B. Cytosine. Okay, adenine, guanine ki hoy? Purine. Aru ekata pyrimidines. The sugar present in DNA. DNA present thaka sugar to ki boli ko? Ribose, deoxyribose, glucose, fructose. Question number 52. Deoxyribose. Question number 53. RNA contains which sugar? Question number 53. Ribose, deoxyribose, glucose, sucrose. Ribose. Question number 54. In RNA, thymine is replaced by RNA junto thymine hoy. Question number 54. Thymine to kar logot hoy আমি কি জানো এডেনিনৰ লগত কি হয় থাইমিন ডাবল বন্ডড হয় এটো হল কোড ডিএনএ আৰু আরএনএ কি হয় এই টি জায়গাত কি আহিব ইউ এটো হল আরএনএ ওকে মিন্স কি ইউরাসিল Question number 55. Which type of RNA brings amino acids to the ribosome during protein synthesis? Kunto? mRNA, rRNA, tRNA. The backbone of DNA strand is made up of question number 56. Sugar and phosphate group. The two strands of DNA are held together by 57. 57 কি হব the two strands of DNA are held together by peptide bond, glycosidic bond, hydrogen bond and disulfide bond. Question number 57 কি হব C. Which of the following is a polysaccharide stored in animal cells? Question number 58 কি হব starch, cellulose, glycogen and sucrose. So enzymes are primarily question number 59 কি হয় proteins. Question number 60 pause kora try kora the term lock and key associated with lock and key kar logot associated hoy lock and key enzyme DNA replication enzyme substrate interaction kunto question number 60 kar logot enzyme substrate mon rakhiba which of the following is not a function of proteins tolo kunto protein or function nohoy question number 61 ki hobo C storage and genetic information. Question number 62. Simple diffusion of neural solutes across the plasma membrane occurs. Question number 62. B. Question number 63. Facilitated diffusion key required ATP, carrier proteins, only the lipid bilayer and ribosomes. Question number 63. Key carrier proteins. Question number 64. Active transport is categorized by active transport ami kontu ko question number 64 ki hoy movement against hole active mon rakhiba C. Question number 65. Na plus K plus palm is an example of car hoy question number 65 active transport mon rakhiba okay then next chapter 10 cell cycle and cell division yare ami question ketaman korim so first question the cell cycle consists of question number 66 question number 66 ki hobo interphase and M phase interphase includes which of the following phases in ite interphase ot amar ki thake question number 67 question number ki thakibo G1 S G2 Question number 68. DNA replication occurs during which phase? DNA replication kuntu phase ota G1, G2, S and M. Question number 68. Kuntu C. The phase where the cell prepares for division by synthesizing proteins and organelles is kuntu hobo G1, G2, S and M. Question number 69. B. The Corsican stage, non-dividing stage of the cell cycle is called G1S, G0, M. Kunto hobo question number 70, G0. Mitosis occurs in which type of cell? Question number 71. Question number 71 ki hobo B. Somatic cells. Question number 72. The correct sequence of stage. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Question number 72A. 73. Which stage of mitosis chromosomes align at the equatorial? At the equatorial kuntu amar ki hoy? Align not ahe. Question number 73. Metaphase. Middle. Metaphase means middle. Metaphase. Middle. 74. The separation of sister chromatids. Question number 74. Anaphase. The stage of mitosis where the nuclear envelope performs and chromosomes decondense is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Question number 75. Telophase. The division of the division of cytoplasm after nuclear division. Ki boli ko? Cytoplasm division after nuclear division. Kerokinase, cytokinase, mitosis, plasmolysis ki cytokinesis. In animal cells, cytokinesis occurs by the formation of a cleavage furrow. In plant cells, cytokinesis occurs by the formation of cell plate. How many total cells are produced at the end of mitosis? Question number 79. Question number 79 ki A. Duta. The daughter cells produced by mitosis. Question number 80. Genetically different from the parent cell, genetically identical. Okay, identical. Whole mitosis is identical. Meiosis occurs in which type of cell? Somatic, germ, nerve, and muscle cell. Question number 81. 81 to ki hobo? B. Question number 82. The pairing of homologous chromosomes, synapses, occurs during which stage of meiosis 1? Question number 82. Question number 82 ki hobo? Zygote. Okay, question number 82, zygote. Question number 83. Crossing over code hoy zygote. Right? The first meiotic division code hoy meiosis 1 is called. Question number 84. Reductional division. Okay. Question number 83. C hobo C. Okay. B no C. Packeting. Question number 85 ki hobo? The second meiotic division, equational division. Question number 86. Which type of daughter cells are produced at the end of meiosis? Question number 86 B. Question number 87. The chromosomes number in daughter cells after meiosis. Question number 87 is A. If the parent cell has 24 chromosomes at the start of interphase, how many chromosomes will its daughter cell have after meiosis? 12. Question number 89. Question number 88 kiman hobo? 24. Question number 88. Question number 87 A. Question number 89. If the parent cell has 24 chromosomes at the start of interphase, how many chromosomes will its meiosis? 89 ot kiman ta hobo? 12. Meiosis ot adha aro mitosis ot same. Which stage of mitosis is categorized by condensation of chromosomes and disappearance of a nuclear envelope? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Question number 90. Prophase. Chiasmata are visible during which stage of meiosis 1? Question number 91. Leptotin, zygotin, packetin, diplotin. The terminalization of chiasmata occurs during diplotin, dikinesis, metaphase 1, anaphase 1. Kunto hobo? Question number 92. Dikinesis. Failure of chromosome to separate properly during cell division. Kiko? Synapses, crossing over, nin disjunction and disjunction. Question number 93. C. Non-disjunction. Question number 94. Which one of the following is not a characteristics of meiosis? It produces genetically identical cell. It involves two divisions. Crossing over occurs. It produces haploid cells. Question number 94. Question number 94. A. It produces genetically identical. Question number 95. Question number 95. Spindle fibers attached to chromosome at the centromere. Okay. The G1 and G2 phase together are called G1 and G2 ami ekeloge ki boli ko? Question number 96. Interphase. Which one of the following helps in organizing the spindle fibers during cell division? Question number 97. Centrosome. The phase of the cell cycle that takes the longest time is called tolokondo bahut time la. Question number 98. Interphase. Then, which of the following is true about mitosis in plants and animals? Tolokondo plants and animals or karne shuddha. Both forms cleavage furrow nohoy, etu nohoy. Then both forms cell plate nohoy. Plant cells form a cell plate, animals say yes. C is the correct answer. Okay. Then question number 100. Which one of the following is best definitions of a cell? The smallest unit that can perform all life processes. A structure that only exists in plants নহয়. An organelle is found in bacteria নহয়. A non-living unit of matter নহয়. That means A is the correct answer. This is all about your 100 questions from cell structure and function. So আশা কৰিছো বুজি পাইছা তোমালোকে যদি কিবা সুধিবলগীয়া থাকে প্লিজ কমেন্টত জনাবা নেক্সট আমি ডাইভাৰ্চিটি ইন লিভিং ৱৰ্ল্ডছ ইউনিটটো কমপ্লিট কৰিম নহবা তাৰ পিছত মৰ্ফলজিটো কমপ্লিট কৰিম ঠিক আছে সো ভিডিঅ'বোৰ যদি ভাল লাগে লাইক কৰিবা শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা প্লান্ট ফিজিঅলজি এণ্ড হিউমেন ফিজিঅলজি প্লান্ট ফিজিঅ' আৰু হিউমেন ফিজিঅ' ইহঁতৰ কাৰণে প্লান্ট ফিজিঅ'ত এৰাউণ্ড 70 কুৱেশ্যন হিউমেন ফিজিঅ'ত এৰাউণ্ড 150 কুৱেশ্যন অলৰেডি ডিছকাছ কৰিলোঁ প্লাছ আকৌ 100 কুৱেশ্যন আজি ডিছকাছ কৰিলোঁ চ' গোটেইখিনি চাবা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যনখিনিয়ে মই ডিছকাছ কৰি দিছোঁ চ' ইয়াৰ পিছতো যদি আৰু কিবা থাকে ক'বা অ'কে ঠিক আছে থেংক ইউ